welcome to my channel, Catherine's Way. I'm Catherine. Before I make a start on this video, I'd love you to subscribe. It really means a lot to a small channel like mine, and it really helps if you watch as much as you can stand, I suppose, of this video. Anyway, let's get into it. It's getting to that time of year where everything Christmas related is appearing in the shops and online, so I've jumped into it and I've purchased a couple of advent calendars. I show you another one in another video, in a separate video, but today I've got this, and it's the Asos Face and Body advent calendar, I suppose you would call it. When I saw it in the packaging, I just saw that and I thought, have they put the wrong thing in the box? I wasn't really expecting that, but there is a really nice scarf sort of tied onto the handles. So that's a really nice touch. Really like that. It feels nice and soft and silky, and you could use it in your hair or obviously around your neck. I don't think it's wide enough to go round my waist to wear it as like a belt sort of thing, but yeah, nice little touch. See, obviously you get this bag. Let's crack it open. I remember last year's one. I didn't do a video of last year's one. Me and my daughters had a bit of fun. We opened it all together, not on the days when you're supposed to open it. I just asked them to pick a number and they opened that box and saw what was inside. Oh, here we are. So it's a box like this, so let's open it up. Oh, here we are. I can't really tip it up too much because everything's just loose. So last year it wasn't in a cardboard box, it was in sort of like a plastic little thing with handles.
Silly, eh?
Helps if I have it the right way around. Anyway, I'll put a separate thing on screen somewhere to show you, give you an idea of what you're getting in here. Right, we'll start with number one. So number one's sort of cuboid, and inside we have an Origins Overnight Hydrating Mask with avocado and glacier water. Or glacier water, I don't know how you pronounce that. And I'm not sure if that's a full size. There's 2.5 fluid ounces or 75 ml in there. And of course it's really green because it's avocado. Number two, it's some Dr. Paw Rich Mocha Balm, multi-purpose soothing balm with natural paw, and there is 25 ml in there, so you can use it on lips, cheeks. I'll open 5 of them. I think 5 is a nice sort of round number. 3. I've got a feeling this could be some sort of mask. It's that sort of shape, isn't it? Let's have a look. Ooh. I was wrong. It's some Argan Oil for your hair. So it's beauty Beauty Works Professional. A rejuvenating treatment formulated with a blend of the finest argan oils to deeply nourish hair and repair split ends. And it's 100% vegan, free of parabens. There's something else in there as well. Oh, look at that. Nice comb so you can comb it all through. Nice touch. Oh, I've seen this on a few sites and stuff, on Amazon and a few other places, and I've wondered what it is. Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Cream. It's to hydrate and nourish lips, face and body. And the last one for this video is number 5. And in here, oh, got some of this. Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. Longwear Foundation Grip. It's only a small one, 5 ml. So I'm looking forward to trying that. So you do get, there's 2 layers. There's a layer underneath. So these are all obviously the numbers 1 to 12, and then underneath you get all the way up to 24. So it's a full 24-day opening up thing. Really happy with this. So I'm looking forward to December the 1st rolling round, or maybe I'll cheat and just open everything in another video, and that'll be it. And then of course there's the bag as well, and scarf. So well done, Asos. I really like that. I've been getting a few other bits and pieces for Christmas. I've got something else, but I'm not going to show that because it's something that is going to be for one of my daughters, and I know she does sometimes watch my videos. But next I've got some really great little stock, they call it stocking filler on the box. Some little beauty boxes like this. They've got a few different ones. So if you look on their website, I'll put a few pictures of the different ones that they have. And they're only £12. So I think it's something that's a really good idea, and I think it's quite good value. I mean, you're not going to get full-size products for £12, are you? But you're going to get a nice selection of deluxe samples, I would have thought. So let's open it up. This is a piece of the packing, by the way, that's sort of hanging out of the box. They always have like shredded paper inside their boxes. So here we are. This is what we've got inside. So I'll get them out one at a time now and show you what you get for your £12. So we've got a By Terry Mini To Go Balm de Rose Lip Care. And you get 2.3 grams in there. There is, I'd call it a deluxe sample because it's not in one of those, you know, the tall and narrow bottles. It's in this, so you get the little flower on top like you do with the full size Daisy. It's only an eau de toilette. Personally, I prefer eau de parfum because it's got sort of a longer staying power. yeah, that's nice. So even that would be really nice in a stocking on its own. If you wrap this up and then put it in a stocking. Then we have some Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. There is 7 ml in there, so again, not a massive one. So I'd say like a deluxe sample. But I think the full size one, I know I've had this a few times in when I've bought Estee Lauder, you know, and you can get the free gift when you buy 2 Estee Lauder things that they have every now and then. I'm sure I've had a few of these, and it's really not that much bigger. And you want to use a tiny bit anyway. Next up, again, it's only a small one, but it's again nice little bit for putting in a stocking, and it's a Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. You get 7 grams. So it might do you a couple of times, you might do a couple of applications. The last thing that's in here is this Evelom Cleanser. And there's 20 ml in there. Don't know if it's got the muslin cloth with it. I was sort of expecting that to be separate. Maybe it's in the box, I don't know. Let's have a look. Oh, it is, look. So there's the muslin cloth. And there is cleansing balm. So it's a decent size, 20 ml in there. And that's looks like a similar consistency to that Egyptian magic cream that was in the advent calendar. But yeah, I think Next Beauty are definitely upping their game. They're getting more and more brands in, more and more sort of beauty boxes in. It seems like there's a new beauty box like every week, every 2 weeks, something like that. So it's definitely worth checking them out. And I'll put a link to the Asos advent calendar as well. So that's everything for this video. Don't forget to do the old and I'll see you very soon in another video. I've got a few Halloween-y type videos coming up, so keep looking out for those, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.